everybody, my name is Chisnam. You're welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be talking about how to grow your edges back. I know most naturalists don't have edges or they are losing your edges, so I'll be talking about things you must do and things you mustn't do in order to grow your hair back, in order to grow your edges back. So stay tuned and yeah, so without further ado, let's jump into the first thing I'm going to talk about is putting your hair in tight puffs. You know, most naturalists that just cut their hair to go up or get into a puff always like to rock the hairstyle a lot. Like I can say they always like to rock the hairstyle all the time. I was in that shoe. Like I was said I'm still in that situation. But ever since I started caring so much for my hair, I noticed that anytime I try all this puff, making it tight so that it will look good, I noticed that some of my front line tends to cut. So, and it makes me lose my edges more often. Like I used to lose it when I wear braids also. So, I decided that I will stop wearing my puffs too tight. Even if I want to wear, there are these bands that I used to wear my puffs in it with. So even if you want to wear puffs, don't make it tight, just find all these bands. You can find them online. I don't know if I see the link, I'm going to link it up. Find these bands that are very elastic and very good for your hair, so that when you wear your puffs it won't pull your front line and your edges so much that will cause it to break. Next thing I'm going to talk about is massaging your edges. Massaging your edges and your hair as a whole will help blood flow more into your edges and your hair as a whole. So if you massage your edges or your scalp, if you massage your edges or your scalp, it tends to increase blood flow into your edges. And when there is enough amount of blood flow into your edges, your hair in that particular area of your edges tends to grow more. That's just simple logic, but it works. So try to incorporate daily massaging of scalp. You can also massage your scalps with some of your oils. Some oils you like using, like I like using almond oil to massage my hair and my scalp as a whole. So you can use your favorite oil like castor oil, other oils that are in the internet that they say that it works magic or it works this, it works that. You can also use it to massage your scalp and increase blood flow in your scalp and your edges will start. Next thing I'll be talking about is leaving your hair alone, your edges alone. Don't go for all this hairstyle that will require you to sacrifice your edges so that the hairstyle will look good. Don't. One of the hairstyle that does that is stitch braids. I hate that hairstyle so much. I don't mean the hairstyle is not good. One day I'm going to try it, but I hate the hairstyle because most of my friends that when it's rain mostly in my area, most girls went for the hairstyle, and when they took the hairstyle down, I noticed that their edges saw things. Their edges saw things, and I don't want to be like them. Like my edge is so fragile and I don't want to lose them. So you should avoid tight braids, yeah, tight hairstyle that will cause you to sacrifice your edges, your front line, so that it will look good. Like go avoid it. Avoid it. So what I'm trying to say is to leave your edges out of anything you're planning for your hair. Like if you're planning to kill your hair, you're planning to do this to your hair, planning to put it in this style, planning to do this, just leave your edges out. So another thing I'm going to be focusing on is your diet. Eat proteins, beans, meat. Eat them. It's very good to grow your edges. Eat proteins, like eat protein. Increase your iron intake. You can get iron from plantains. That's what I know mostly, and that's what I eat mostly. There are other things you can get proteins from. You can also buy tablets, supplements that has iron. I don't know, supplements that is good for the body, that has virtually most things you need for your body to be working. Yeah, you can invest in that. You should drink a lot of water. Yeah, you know, carbohydrate, protein, vitamin, all this plus water makes up the 6 classes of food. Yeah, so you should make sure that every meal you're going to eat, make sure there is enough quantity of everything required in your balanced diet in it. If you want to eat, let me not say what the food I like eating, let me just for another example, any food you plan on eating, just make sure there's enough carbohydrate, there's enough protein, there's enough vitamin. This food will help me get this food will help me get that. Yeah, you should consider anything you eat before eating it. It's not if you just see something like, I don't know what I'm going to use for example. I don't want to shade any food people eat. Anything, something like this, but you know, is 90% carbohydrate, or this is 90% fat. This is 90% this, is 90% that. And some of the food, some of the things you need for a well balanced diet is like I'm not trying to tell you not to eat it, but at least add 1 or 2 things, either by drinks or by that or by this or by that, to make it a balanced diet. It will also help you grow more hair in your hair, like it will help the overall function of your body and your edges too. Some people lose their edges because they are not feeding well. Most of them are going for dieting, this, dieting that. No, I diet, not all the time, but I know I diet. I try to diet, but when it comes to body my body as a whole, I take my body seriously, like how I take my books. I make sure that I eat everything in little quantity, so that I'll not go in short of this or go in short of that. Yeah, and when I'm doing that, my whole body glows, my hair grows, everything glow, and I don't know. Just the simple thing you should do: eat a whole balanced diet. You should do also is drink water. Like I said, water is among the 6 classes of food, I think. Yeah, water is among the 6 classes of food. When you eat all the food I'm telling you, when you eat all the food I'm telling you to eat, like the balanced diet, the this, the that, and you don't drink water, I don't think all the nutrients you have acquired will go through your body, will go or even reach your scalp to nourish it. I don't know. When you drink water, it tends to carry whatever you eat, the protein, the vitamin, the everything your hair requires to the scalp, and nourishes it, and you see your hair growing. So water is very essential, especially for us that are looking for glowing skins, and yeah, glowing skin and face and hair. Yeah, you need to incorporate drinking water as an habit. Like, drink water. I know water can make you develop diuresis too much. I don't mean like diuresis too much urination, I think, but water for me means as an habit is very good for human being. As a thing I'm going to talk about is low manipulation. I don't want to cause stage braids here again, but I have to. I know. Let me not involve stitch braids here again. It like that hairstyle. I don't know the amount of wickedness I have for that hairstyle. Okay, let me leave it out of this. So, what I'm going to use here is all these people that will make their hair this week, make their hair next week, make their hair next week, make their next week. Yeah, I don't say it's not good though, but it's not good though. I I cannot say it's not good, but at the same time, it's not good. If you keep on stressing your head, disturbing your hair, your hair will start breaking and breaking and breaking, especially your edges. They will break, and you have no edges, you'll just be bowed. And nobody wants to be bowed. No, nobody wants to. So, and there are also some people that doesn't make their hair every week, that just carry their natural hair, telling me that they are protecting their style, they'll put it in this, all these family bonds, what is this, all this that. Yeah, there are some people, but when you leave, when they take out their braids or just carry their hair alone, today they will have bun, today they have flat twist, tomorrow they will do cornrow, next tomorrow they will do this one, pack it this side, pack it afro, pack it. Your hair is not resting, no. Years of taking down braids, wigs, everything, just carrying your hair is just to let it breathe. If you have it in a bun or cornrow or flat wig, leave it like that. Or even twist out, that one is so good. Even twist out, just leave it that way. Not today you do this twist out this way, tomorrow you do this twist out that way. Now, you're not leaving your hair alone and you're not protecting it. So if you're trying to manipulate your hair, take it easy and gentle. Hair is so fragile. How your eye is very fragile is how your hair is so fragile too. Not because it's meant to serve this purpose, it's meant to serve this purpose, that's why you have to put it like as if you guys are having problems. I don't understand. Take it is, if you are very so comfortable in having different hairstyle different every week, good. But when you are trying to change your hairstyle, take it easy, girl. Take it easy. If you take it easy with your hair, even combing your hair, even combing your hair, but if you take it easy, you notice that you minimize breakage. That is one of the advantages of low manipulations. Yeah. So what I'm trying to say is for you to take it easy with your hair, and your hair will thank you for that. Well, another thing I'm going to say is investing in a decent wig. You know, sometimes you just feel like you're tired, or you don't want to wear this thing, you don't want to do this thing to your hair, you don't want to do that to your hair. You can buy a very good wig that can serve you purposes. Yeah. Like me, if I take out my braids or ribbons or anything and I don't feel like doing anything to my hair and I have some serious places that I have to go, yeah, I'll just put on my wig and it served me the purpose. So you should definitely invest in wig, and wigs is woman's friend, like is woman's best friend apart from purse and clothes and shoes and necklace and rings and makeup. Wigs are women's best friend. So I want to advise you today to invest in it. Thing I'm going to talk about for this video and today is ditching combs and brushes. It's hard. It's hard. Once you have lens, once you take out your braids, once you take out your threads, once you just take out your hair from anything it is you want to be combing it today, combing it tomorrow, combing it next tomorrow. I know the temptation is too much to everybody, even to me. I have this temptation all the time, but at least sometimes when the devil tells you to go and bring your brush, go and bring your comb, tell the devil no, get behind me. Seriously, once you're always combing your hair all the time, brushing it all the time, doing this thing, doing that to your hair, combing it this way, combing it that way, combing it this way, combing it that way, girl, your hair will break. Even if your hair is the strongest hair is very attached to your scalp, it's very attached to the root that it cannot break. You must see particles that came out. Yeah. So the thing is, I don't mean you should not be combing your hair. Yeah, you should be combing your hair, but minimize it. Minimize how you comb your hair. And that is all for today. Hope you guys learned something good from today's video. If you did, comment it down in the comment section. So you guys should also like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for my next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.